Hello and welcome. If you have been struggling for months or years to get your blood sugar in check, trying pills and diets with no real results, you should know it's not your fault. Hi, my name is Linda, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Glucoflush. Please, disagree with me. Don't believe anything you hear here. In the description of this video, you can verify for yourself the veracity of the information that is being delivered. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Glucoflush is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching, because it has been the subject of some fakes. I left the official website in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website, you will find several testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles and sources on which the production of Glucoflush was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, Glucoflush is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is Glucoflush, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes. According to a new release from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the U.S. pipes and water systems are very old in most parts of the country. These can be a breeding ground for dangerous microorganisms, and these microorganisms can cause cravings for sugar and carbs all the time, which in turn leads to abnormal blood sugar levels. That's why was created Glucoflush. This formula is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before. You will be able to significantly lower your blood sugar levels without the need for useless drugs, diets, supplements, or exercise. Glucoflush is a bespoke proprietary formula of 11 high-quality herbal parasite flushers and blood sugar supporting ingredients. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also important for you to know, Glucoflush has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural, such as fennel seed, marshmallow root, black walnut hull, pumpkin seed, and many others natural elements rich in great properties, 100% natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. In addition, Glucoflush contains natural formula, plant ingredients. It's easy to use, no stimulants, no chemicals, non-GMO. Also, for Glucoflush to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Glucoflush, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee you. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test Glucoflush for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the ClickBank platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Glucoflush from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Glucoflush actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of Glucoflush for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.